Season 2 finale. The host is Lerato LKG, the mother. MJ broke up with her new girlfriend. MJ apologized to Eno for the hurtful things that he did to him. MJ kicked out Sensha, his baby mama, out of their Kyalami apartment or flat. He told Sensha to get her act right because he is not going to pay rent for her. So he is giving Sensha only 2 months to get a job so that she can take care of herself. He can only maintain the baby who is Mushibudi but not take care of Sensha. And our condolences to MJ's mother who passed on the past 2 weeks. May her soul rest in peace. Tholang is no longer dating Chris. We saw at the end of the show, I think episode 12 or 11, Chris popped up with chocolates and a bottle of B&G. So Tholang broke up with Chris, reason being that Chris does not love Tholang. He is stuck up on this limelight thing. He just wants to be popular. He wants to be on the spotlight just because of right now they are shooting season 2. That's when he reached out to Tholang. And then Tholang broke up with Chris based on those reasons, and others we don't know. So Elle was very protective of and defensive over Tholang and Chris was like, the reason that Tholang and him, they are fighting and they have all of these problems in the relationship, it is because of the influence that Tholang gets from his friends. So at the moment, Tholang is not dating anyone. Oh my God, you guys, Josie. So Josie was there, was part of the crew, was part of the cast. There's nothing much to say about Josie. She just brought separation amongst the friends. She brought a division, you know. There's no good energy around her. Every time she's around, people are always fighting. People are always hating on each other. And I don't know based on her character, because she is a married woman, you know. In my home language, we say that but based on Josie's character, there's just so much to say about her, but I'm not God. I cannot judge her. Perhaps she is being defensive because the cameras are rolling. Perhaps she cannot conduct herself professionally, but this just says a whole lot about the type of person that she is. The energy that she brought on the show just shows the type of person that she is. But anyway, I'm not going to dwell on that. I was just giving you a recap about season 2 finale. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.